Grammar for argumentative essays, hedging to avoid overgeneralizations. Hedging means to avoid making a clear, direct response. One of the writing problems students often exhibit is overgeneralizations. By hedging or using indirect language, writers can build validity and avoid overgeneralizations. Many times, writers will use the word many instead of all, some, occasionally, often. These are all ways to avoid being very direct and specific. Look at this example. All community college students have difficulty balancing the responsibilities of home, work, and school. Analyze it. Is this statement true of all students? What's wrong with the statement? How could you make the sentence more credible? How are these different than the original? Many community college students have difficulty balancing the responsibilities of home, work, and school. Community college students often struggle to balance the responsibilities of home, work, and school. What makes these sentences better for argumentation than the original sentence? The original sentence again was, all community college students have difficulty balancing the responsibilities of home, work, and school. Using the word many instead of all helps you hedge. You aren't able to interview each community college student on the planet to ensure that your original statement is true. When you make false statements, your audience will not believe your future statements. You are trying to convince your audience that you are a valid and reliable source. Don't make statements you cannot prove to be true. Often helps you avoid overgeneralizations too. The original sentence is in parentheses in case you have forgotten it. Okay, now rewrite these overgeneralizations. Taft College professors are helpful. The Central Valley is the best place to live in the world. Eating organically grown foods is the healthiest option. Hit the pause button on the bottom of the screen and give yourself a few minutes to rewrite these sentences. Don't spend more than 3 minutes on each one. Do your rewritten sentences look something like these? Even though they are busy, many Taft College professors are very helpful. The Central Valley is a wonderful place to live for many reasons. According to food scientists at whatever the place is, eating organically grown foods is often better for your health than foods grown with pesticides. Here's a summary for you. Hedging is a way to avoid using overgeneralizations. Hedging is being less specific on purpose to avoid lying about a topic. Most of the time I tell the truth. When you say I always tell the truth, you might be accidentally lying. Hedging can help you convince your audience that you are telling the truth. Use this technique when you are writing a persuasive essay.